been organizing cleanups, international coastal cleanup, since 2016, and we're now organizing brand audits for 4 years with the methodology of break free from plastic. We are working with a lot of organizations that are joining us every year from all over the countries, a lot of companies as well, who are getting all involved to clean up and raise awareness about plastic pollution. And during the brand audit, we identified the biggest plastic polluter in Montenegro to put pressure on them and decrease their packaging.
I participated as a volunteer today during the Clean Up World Day, and I'm glad to be there to contribute with my efforts, with my time, because I think that it's super important not only to be consumers, but be also conscious about our impact that we make on nature. And such brand audits that we did just recently will show us the results very soon, and I do hope that it will push producers, manufacturers to make our earth more cleaner space to live.
Давай, сюда.
Da li smo se mi zabavljali kad smo pokupili ovoliko puno smeća? Bilo je baš zabavno, jel da? Ja poručujem svima da je kupljanje smeća i čišćenje okruženja meditativni proces i zaista možete da se zabavljate u njemu i srdačno poručujem da to i praktikujete.